So we're going to look at 8.5 notes. We have the last couple examples to do. So this is 8.5, kind of part 3. But you have to watch the video, finish the notes, and then turn all of the notes in for 8.5. So part 1, 2, and 3, just submit it all. So we're going to look at the marble questions at the end of the notes. It says with replacement. So that means we're putting the marble back in the bag that we're taking it out of. And without replacement is you do not put the marble back in the bag. So if I had, let's say, 10 marbles in a bag and I were to pick one, with replacement means that the next time I pick a marble, I'm putting that marble back in the bag. Without replacement says that we are going to take that marble out, we put it on the table, and next time I pick a marble out of the bag, I only have 9 marbles, so I would have 1 less. So we have to pay attention to the wording. So with example 1, it says 8 marbles in a bag, 4 red, 2 green, 1 yellow, and 1 black. Without replacement, what is the probability that I pick 1 red marble and 1 yellow? So we talked about probability on Friday. Remember, it's what we want over the total, or how many we have of what we want over how many is the total. And then one other thing that we mentioned on Friday is if we see the word and means that we multiply. If we see the word or means that we add. So make sure you pay attention to the wording. Another important part of the wording here is without replacement. So first, let's find the probability of picking a red one. So we have 4 red marbles out of 8 marbles total. So 4 out of 8 is the probability of picking a red one. It says and means that we multiply, so times. Now we need to see the probability of picking a yellow marble, but it's without replacement. So we're assuming that the first marble we picked out of the bag was red, and I put it on the table. Now in the bag, I only have 7 marbles, and I have 1 less red one, so I've got 3 red marbles in the bag now. So I need to see the probability of picking a yellow now that I had already picked a red marble and put it on the table. So I have 1 yellow marble out of now 7 marbles total. Because without replacement means that I'm not replacing it back in the bag. I took it out of the bag and put it on the table, so we have 1 less marble in the bag now. So we can simplify our first fraction here. We would simplify it to 1/2. And then when we multiply fractions, we multiply straight across. So this would be 1/14. Remember, we can leave our answer as a simplified fraction, as a decimal, or as a percentage. So if you wanted to divide 1 by 14 in the calculator, we would get 0.0714. So this would be a good answer. Or we could leave it as a percentage, so we'd move the decimal twice, and we'd get 7.14%. So this would be a good answer too. If you leave it as a fraction, make sure it is a simplified fraction. Next, we want to find the probability of picking 1 black or 1 red marble. So 1 black marble, I've got 1 black out of 8 marbles total. So 1 out of 8. Or means that we add. So plus, now it's also without replacement. So I'm assuming that I picked a black marble and put it on the table. Now I have 1 less marble in the bag. So now I have 7 marbles and I have 1 less black one. So I've got 0 black now. I'll erase this part from the question before. So we want to see what's the probability of picking a red now. Well, I have 4 red out of now 7 marbles total, so 4 out of 7. So now we're going to add these two together. When we add fractions, we need a common denominator. So I can multiply the top and the bottom by this fraction by 7. So we get 7/56. And I can multiply the top of my fraction here by 8. So we get 32 when I multiply by 8 over 56. So 32 plus 7 would be 39 over 56. Always check and make sure you can simplify your fraction. If you can simplify it, make sure you simplify. You could also just leave your answer as a decimal too. Do 39 divided by 56, and that would be your final answer. Let's look at the question below. It says 8 marbles in a bag, 4 red, 2 green, 1 yellow, and 1 black. With replacement, what's the probability of picking a red and 1 green? With replacement means that we're putting the marble back in the bag. So we have the same amount of marbles for our second pick as we do for the first one. So the probability of picking 1 red, well, we have 4 red out of 8 marbles total. So 4 out of 8. It says and means that we multiply. Now we're putting that red marble back in the bag because we're assuming that the first marble we picked was red because that's what we wanted. We're putting it back in the bag. So we still have 8 marbles the second time we pick. So now we want to see what's the probability of picking a green marble. So we've got 2 green marbles out of 8 total. So 2 out of 8. We can simplify these fractions. When we're multiplying, it's easier to simplify them first. So we can simplify this one to 1 over 2. And this fraction would simplify to 1 over 4. So when we multiply straight across, we get 1 over 8. Remember, you can leave it as a decimal or a percentage if you wanted to. So let's look at the second part here. It says, what is the probability of picking 1 green or 1 red? Or means that we add. So probability of picking 1 green, we've got 2 green out of 8 marbles total, so 2 out of 8. Or means that we add, picking 1 red. It's with replacement, so I'm assuming that I pick a green one and I put it back in the bag. The probability of picking a red one next would be 4 out of 8. Now when we add, we don't really want to simplify first because we like to have common denominators, so we can just add our numerators together. This would be 6 over 8. Now we want to simplify at the end, so 6 over 8 would simplify to 3 over 4. So we have a 3 out of 4 chance of picking 1 green or 1 red. So be super careful with the wording. There are also web assigned questions that say the probability of picking 2 red marbles or both red marbles. If it says both or if it says neither, this is saying and. The probability of picking a red one and another red one. So if you have the word both, that both marbles are red, it's like saying a red marble and another red one. Or I think there might be a neither question too. Neither is the same thing. It implies that it's and. So if you pick a marble that's not red and another marble that's not red. So pay attention to the wording. All right. Make sure you turn in the notes and you guys can keep working on the web assign.